Welcome to Creswell High School, home of the Bulldogs, where student athletes rise, records are broken, and champions are made. Thanks to the Creswell Bond passed in May of 2023, CHS now boasts upgraded premier athletic facilities built for champions. Improved fields give our teams a true home advantage, where our teams are consistently playoff bound and positioned to thrive on and off the field. Our newly renovated gym is the heart of Bulldog athletics, creating consistent contenders and bringing power on the court. A dedicated space for wrestling and cheer in our newly designed mezzanine area is where legacy continues and character is built. An updated weight training space supports athletes in every sport. At CHS, we don't just compete. We grow as teammates, leaders, and individuals. The future of Bulldog athletics is bright. Proudly supported by our community, we are built for success. Go Bulldogs!